Lobo, and I'm back with my Thoughtful Thursdays. Thoughtful Thursdays are about all the interesting things that happen in my life, and all the interesting things right now are happening in the house. As I would say, stay safe, and it's important to keep social distancing. So what happened is, when you're in the house, and we all know that there's a lot of work right now, and I got up in the morning, finished my meditation, and I think the day starts with figuring out what you have at home, what you need to buy, whether you should buy something from Big Basket or go down Deepak Supermarket. And the day before, we were talking about coffee and how we're going to be running out of coffee. And as I opened the kitchen cabinets, I kept looking and I said, okay, now I should not have my second cup of coffee. I should conserve the coffee powder so it lasts longer. And as I kept looking dreamily into the kitchen cabinet, I suddenly saw that I had at least 3 to 4 packets of green tea. And I said, why do I have so much green tea? And why am I not having this green tea? Maybe this is a sign for me to finish all the green tea that I have. And as I did that, I said, hey, we've been talking about the coronavirus and what to do, what not to do. But I thought this post could be very, very different and something that makes me really, really happy, and it's in line with the work that I do. And that's what I'm going to do today. And as I saw, I picked up 3 packets of green tea that were there at home. Let me show you the first one. This is the one that I had. It is the Taifu one with green tea tulsi. I'm just showing it to you so that you know how this looks. And I want you to focus on the aesthetics. I want you to focus on the sensorials of this. So I hope you had a look at this one. The second one that I had was this one. And if you look at the visuals, you'll see the name. You'll also see that there is honey on one side, there is lemon on one side, but it is green tea. And both of them are packaged green tea, 25 packs, and this is the look feel of the box. And the third thing, of course there is no tea in this because I've taken it out and put it in another box. But if you look at this, this is how the green tea came. And it was gifted by my mother-in-law. She had gone to Sri Lanka, and we all know Sri Lankans and their tea. But if you look at that, this looks completely different. Now we have 3 different visuals, 3 different sensorials, and each of them are doing a completely different thing. And as I was thinking, and I said, why do I get so happy about when I do packaging innovation assignments? Because I am able to deconstruct each of these elements. There is a science to this. It's not that somebody went about and put all of this together and just created this pouch and did some artwork on it. But if you look at this one, it gives you a completely different feeling. It took me to the feeling that I should have this green tea on weekends. I need to make it, I need to brew it, there is a process. Somebody would have, gone to the green, picked up each leaf, and I cannot do it during my rush routine days. And there's this lovely teapot, and it takes me to another moment. It takes me and develops another memory altogether. And if I look at this one, this is completely different. It says green tea with tulsi. And I'm jogging my mind, why did I get tulsi? Possibly tulsi is something that is there in everybody's house. It's got some benefits. It's a familiar ingredient. But also I like the look feel of this box. This packaging, it appeals to my sensorials and aesthetics. It looks very delicate. It's got a lovely color. And then I have this. This is straightforward, tells you that it's not only green tea, but hey, this is for a woman who wants to also look at her calories and maintain weight. It's got honey and lemon. And you know how much of it is a problem where you want to kind of, stir the honey and the lemon. Now, why am I going through all this madness? It's only because that by the time you finish looking at all of this, there is a story that is happening in your mind. And by the time you finish the story and you've processed everything, you don't do this really on an everyday basis because this happens in autopilot mode. You would have kind of narrowed down the price value perception of each of these green teas. And if you take a guess, the one that came in this neat cloth pouch automatically tells you that it might be far more expensive. Or probably the honey tea, lemon, maybe an everyday tea may not be so expensive. The other one, Thai food, could be slightly more expensive. And the reason for doing this is to actually draw your mind that there is a science to packaging. You need to deconstruct every element, make sure it is in line with the story and the tonality of what you are doing. And great brands spend a lot on packaging innovation. And today's thing was a very happy one to show you that this is something that I love doing. And whether it's coronavirus or not coronavirus, I think we are back into thinking about business, and it is business as usual. If you like what I'm saying and want to know more, reach out to us.